How to edit music in Capcut. Open the Capcut app. Click on New Project. Select the video from gallery. Remove the extra part of video. Click on Split and delete the part of video. Delete the ending. Click on Audio. Select Sound. Select the audio from here. You can see audio is longer than video. Click on Audio where the video ends. Click on Split and delete the extra audio. You can see both are equal now. That's how you can cut audio in Capcut. But also you can cut it by clicking on Audio and drag it to the place where you want audio to be. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an upload.